This Rose Realty property video is presented by Betsy Garant. This home has had new replacement windows, plus newer doors at the front and back. There is a separate bedroom off of the family room. This could be a separate room for a parent or family. The home has wooden floors in the bedrooms. The master has a half bath and a remodeled full bath. The roof is only 5 years old. The water heater is 6 years old. This home has a wood-burning stove in the family room, for the extra cold days. In the backyard has a shed with an additional roof and concrete pad. This home is in the flood zone and their flood insurance is around $533 per year. For more information, review the details below or contact Betsy Garant at 270-570-0638.